What are the main issues that affect your skin?
Shall I go first?
Yeah.
Rosacea being obviously being one of
we
them.
both suffer from that.
Yeah, since young. But on top of that, I do have combination skin. So I have quite oily T-zone. My forehead, especially around like 2 or 3 in the afternoon, is super shiny. And I've got shiny nose and around here as well. But on my cheeks, they actually get dry. So
I think all of the above for me. So oily skin, definitely a big thing. But also actually on top of that, I'll add red patchiness as well. So after shower, after shaving, so red patches, and sometimes you can see the veins too. So.
And how did these issues impact your confidence, or how do they impact your confidence?
Well, I think when my face is very oily, I get very self-conscious about it. I don't know about you. Like in the afternoon, I'll feel like I usually will use the oil patch paper or mattify it somehow with the spray or powder or whatever. But that really affects my confidence, and also
especially if it's red as well, you just look
Yeah.
really flustered, and it just it looked like a glazed donut, and it's never a good look. And you know, guys, you look fresher when it's kind of mattified, and you know, so.
And before like official business meetings or meeting friends, I mean, I want to look fresh, you know, and fit and healthy and clean. I don't necessarily want to turn up with a very red face. So that really affects my confidence as well. So.
What products have you tried to combat these issues? Did they work to improve your skin?
All sorts of products.
Yeah.
Lots of products. So from skincare to blemish coverage, yeah, you named a lot.
What oil control wise, there are lots of oil-free moisturizers. The oil-free moisturizer from Kiehl's, quite expensive actually. That one didn't quite work for me. It did actually, I mean, from the reviews, it does work really well for some people, but unfortunately not for me. But some of the setting spray or mattifying spray, that seems to work quite well for my skin. There are also liquid powder drops that's supposed to sort of give you like a mattified look, but some of those products have got to be very careful that they might leave like a white powder around the area or white residue and things like that. So
before we created Shakeup BB cream, we did try a lot of different types of BB creams as well. You know, kind of sheer coverage, blemish covering products like a typical BB cream, but some of them don't really deliver the mattify effect that we're looking for.
So matte foundation, I mean, there's so many more matte foundations now on the market. They're definitely better, I would say, but previously all you can actually get is like dewy or glowy foundations. Then they actually made that oily skin even worse. But matte foundation definitely is a great choice if you have oily skin like mine.
How does taking care of your skin boost your confidence?
I think when you are looking good on the outside, of course, it's going to help with your inner confidence. I know it sounds quite skin deep or superficial, but it is true. You know, everyone likes to look their freshest, to look their best. And especially if you're going on a date, going out with your friends, or going on job interviews, or meeting clients, of course you want to look your best, right? And the skin is such an important part of it, because that's almost part of your identity. And you do feel so much better when you have clear skin, or when you use products to make yourself look, just have that even complexion. So I think it is very closely linked between confidence and your skin. And some of the issues like rosacea, for example, it's not something that, I tend to stick to a really healthy diet. I go to the gym every day, and I try to drink as much water as I can throughout the day, but some of the skin conditions is not that easy to cure or to fix. So using some of the products or coverage just to sort of make myself feel a bit better about myself is quite important to me.
Nothing to add. That's pretty much what I would say.